In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monday.com live chat support. If you've found yourself in need of some immediate assistance or just have a quick question about using Monday.com, the live chat feature is a wonderful resource. It's a direct line to their help team, allowing you to efficiently resolve any issues you might encounter. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're fully equipped to take advantage of this support. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your workspace on Monday.com. Think of this workspace as your control center, where all your projects and tasks are neatly arranged. By logging in and accessing your workspace, you're stepping into the hub of your project management activities. Now, once you're in your workspace, have a glance at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an array of options. The reason we're checking this section is that it's practically the gateway to accessing various helpful resources and functions. Among these options, you'll see the Help menu. This is your next click. Opening this menu will unfold several options designed to assist you. The Help section functions as your manual or guide, making sure you never have to face any challenges alone. Upon clicking the Help menu, you'll see an option that says Chat with Us. This is exactly what we're looking for. Selecting Chat with Us will initiate your chat dialogue with a live support agent. This is where the magic happens. It's immediate, it's personal, and it can be a lifesaver when you need real-time assistance. Once you've started your chat session, the next step is to type in your concern or question. Clearly describe the issue you're experiencing or the information you're seeking. Being specific here will help the support agent understand your needs fully and provide the best assistance possible. Remember, the more details you provide, the quicker and more accurately they can help. And that's it. Within moments, a support agent on the other end will respond to your message, ready to guide you through your issue or answer your questions. Feel free to engage and ask follow-up questions if needed. They're there to help you make the most out of your Monday.com experience. Reaching out to Monday.com's live chat support is really that simple. It ensures you have expert help right at your fingertips. So next time you find yourself in a bind, you know exactly where to turn. We hope this walkthrough leaves you feeling confident in using the live chat feature. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on other features, be sure to check back with us for more informative videos. Happy project managing!